Hello everyone, welcome to Team Art Stream. I'm RP and you are watching the Oil Speaking channel. और आज का मेरा जो टॉपिक है वो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज आई एम गोना एक्सप्लेन क्यू कार्ड. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने रिक्वेस्ट भेजी है, दे हैव सेंट मी ईमेल ऑल्सो एंड रिक्वेस्टेड मी एंड दे हैव सेंट मी मैसेजेज, प्लीज़ डू समथिंग सर, प्लीज़ डू समथिंग विद a cue card because they have problem with explaining ideas to speak continuously effective English for 1 to 2 minutes. But I assure you that if you watch my full video, you won't have any kind of, you don't have any kind of lack of ideas, and you will get a load of ideas, and you will be able to achieve your desired band score or band score of more than 8 band. So are you ready? Here we go. So आज का हमारा जो टॉपिक है वो है when was the first time you admired the sky. So it's a little bit like challenging topic or but this is the topic estimated also. You might find it in your real IELTS exam. So this is very important and watch my full video please. So admired the sky, first time you admired the sky and what you are doing, who was with you and what you saw. So very challenging topic, but don't worry. So well, first of all I'd say this is a lovely and thought-provoking question. Thought-provoking question means challenging question. Very nice, please note it down and use. Actually in my childhood when I was 6 or 7 years I first admired the sky. Okay, as you probably know, it's very nice to start. As you probably know that in India we mostly have a flat terrace. Terrace mean जैसे हम छत के ऊपर सोते हैं तो वो terrace. And the people like to sleep over there in the open to get rid of unbearable heat. Unbearable mean जिसको हम bear नहीं कर सकते, जिसको हम tolerate नहीं कर सकते. To get rid of mean छुटकारा पाना, especially in summer at night. So you can imagine in India like it's scorching heat, it's too hot. So it was one of the highest temperature days of the summer. Highest temperature day mean it was quite hot, very hot, too hot I would say. यानी बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी थी. When there was no electricity and light, there was no electricity, no light, it means it was power cut. So you can imagine the situation and my mother was holding me into her lap, यानी गोद में लेना, और you can say she was cuddling me to take me upstairs. वो मुझे upstairs ले जाने के लिए cuddling अर्थात hugging me or taking me in the lap, in her lap. So after we reached the upstairs, my mother made my bed ready to sleep. Made my bed ready, it means उसने मेरे लिए बिस्तर लगाई. So that day I was lying on the mattress. Lying in mean लेटना, trying to sleep, turning right and left, यानी अपने जो है चेंज करना, sometimes to the right, sometimes on the left, but in vain mean कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होना. Suddenly I found thousands of stars twinkling in the sky. Twinkling it mean चमकना, shining in the sky. I got stunned mean I amazed mean I surprised mean I got stunned mean amazed mean मुझे हैरानी हुई to see that fantastic scenario, very nice scenario mean view. बहुत अच्छा व्यू जब देखने को मिला मुझे. It was just beyond my imagination. Beyond my imagination mean मेरी कल्पना से बाहर का. Superbly beautiful, very nice word. And out of the world mean again very beautiful. Out of the world is a nice phrase, nice out of the word, nice expression, very nice expression. So note down and use in your speaking please. I had never imagined seeing such a beautiful sky at night. It was the first time when I got an opportunity to see that magnificent view of moonlit. Moonlit means चांदनी रात, and colorful celestial, and realize the immeasurable power of God that is omnipresent. Colorful celestial mean जो ऊपर हम जो तारे देखते हैं, body of stars, and realize the immeasurable power of God. Immeasurable mean जिसको हम अंदाज़ा नहीं लगा सकते. Power of God that is omnipresent mean present everywhere, यानी जो हर जगह है. यानी God is very powerful and we cannot guess like how powerful he is. It was natural shelter provided by the Almighty mean for God mean भगवान के लिए, मैंने परमात्मा के लिए जो है वो यूज़ किया है. It's synonyms word for God. But for me it was like my mom's black embroidered दुपट्टा. Embroider mean जिस पे embroider की होती है. Embroider mean एक तरह से कढ़ाई जो हम करते हैं, यानी to do something with hand. So hand embroidery होती है जैसे. with stars and moon which she used to cover her head. Then I had a closer look at the moon which was round in shape. I was luckiest to see the full moon that night. Then I started questioning my mother how it is possible for them to stay in the sky like that and how they are stable in the sky spreading out worldly light. So I mean how it can be stable, यानी कैसे वो आकाश में रुके हुए हैं, spreading out worldly light, किस तरह से वो हमें रोशनी दे रहे हैं. I mean I started asking different type of questions to my mother. I also asked about the immense pleasure I was seeking because of that spectacular view. Spectacular mean again fantastic and beautiful view. My mother replied to me very gently, mean politely, बहुत ही विनम्रता से, by explaining to me everything she knew about those supernatural things. Supernatural power होती है, जैसे supernatural mean the power which is out of nature. Supernatural पावर यानी बाहरी जो ताकतें हैं वो जो पावर है. दैट वॉज द नाइट आई गॉट टू नो पेलेंटी ऑफ थिंग्स. पेलेंटी ऑफ मीन बहुत सारी चीज़ें, लॉर्ड ऑफ द सीक्रेट ऑफ द स्काई एंड डिफरेंट प्लैनेट्स एंड ऑर्बिट्स. सो आफ्टर सम टाइम माई मदर स्टार्टेड सिंगिंग द पोएम विच आई स्टिल रिमेंबर. इट वॉज ट्विंकल ट्विंकल लिटिल स्टार हाउ आई वंडर what you are up above the world and so high like a diamond in the sky. So surprisingly, while listening to this world-renowned poem, I mean it is very famous poem. I mean world-renowned, it means very famous, बहुत प्रसिद्ध कविता है. I don't know how I felt asleep. यानी मुझे नींद कैसे आ गई, I don't know. So that was the pleasant end or climax of the story my mother was telling me. So that was the end of the story my mother was telling me. I mean it was happy climax or happy and pleasant end of the story. So I hope you got a lot of ideas and you will be able to achieve your desired band score. Thank you so much for watching my full video, but please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please subscribe our channel and like and comment, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of all videos, new videos. So thank you so much and good luck with your IELTS preparation. Thank you so much. Bye bye.